Hey everyone, and welcome. So picture this. You've got this super valuable data set, but it's stuck in SAS, and all of your awesome modern data tools are sitting in Python. It's a classic problem, right? Well, today we are going to build the bridge between those two worlds, and you'll see just how easy it is. Let's get right into it. Does this feel a little too familiar? You've got this crucial piece of the puzzle, but it's locked away in a file with that .sas7b extension. Meanwhile, you're ready to go in Python, ready for some serious analysis, visualization, or maybe even some machine learning. Well, don't worry. You are in exactly the right place. Now, to solve this, we don't need some ridiculously complicated multi-step process. Not at all. All we really need is the right key, a special tool designed specifically to unlock that SAS file and just slide its contents right into Python. And here is that key. It's a Python library, and it's simply called SAS7bdat. Its entire job, which, by the way, it does beautifully, is to read those SAS files and make them perfectly understandable to Python. You can think of it as the universal translator for your data. And getting this tool couldn't be simpler. It's just one little command you pop into your terminal, pip install SAS7bdat. Seriously, that's it. You run this once, the library is installed, and you are ready to go. Okay, so we have the tool. Now let's get to the magic itself. I'm going to show you the complete, tiny piece of code that makes all of this happen. You're going to be surprised at just how straightforward it is. And there it is. That's the whole thing. This small block of code is everything you need to crack open that SAS file and turn it into a pandas data frame. We're going to walk through it line by line in a second, but just take a moment to appreciate how clean and simple that is. Seeing the script is one thing, but really understanding how it works, well, that's where the real power is. So let's do that now. Let's decode this thing line by line and get to the why behind each command. You can really think about this script in 5 basic steps. First, we got to bring in our tools, our libraries. Second, we tell the script where to find our data file. Third, we open that file up safely. Fourth, this is the fun part, the actual conversion happens. And finally, we just check our work to make sure everything went smoothly. So, first things first, we start with our 2 essential imports. Import pandas as PD brings in the pandas library, the absolute gold standard for working with data in Python. Then, from SAS7bdat import, SAS7bdat pulls in the specific tool from our translator library that knows how to speak SAS. Up next, we're just defining a simple variable. Now, this is the one line that you have to customize. You just replace your dataset.sas7bdat with the actual path to your file. This tells our script exactly which treasure chest it needs to unlock. Okay, this next line is pretty cool. That with statement, it's what's called a context manager in Python, and it's a super clean and safe way to work with files. It handles all the messy business of opening the SAS file for us, and this is the crucial part. It makes sure the file gets closed properly when we're done, even if something goes wrong. And here we go. This single line is the absolute heart of the whole operation. We take that file we just opened and we call the .toDataFrame method on it. Bam! That one command reads everything, all the data, the structure, from the SAS file, and instantly translates it into a beautiful, perfect pandas data frame. We then just assign it to our variable, df. And finally, our last step. Now, this isn't technically part of the conversion, but it's an absolutely essential best practice. Using print.df.head just shows you the first 5 rows of your new data frame. It gives you that immediate visual confirmation that, yes, your data has arrived safely and it looks just the way you expected. And just like that, you've done it. The data is unlocked. What was once trapped inside that proprietary SAS format is now a flexible, powerful pandas data frame ready to go right inside your Python environment. So what does this actually mean for you? It means the handcuffs are off. Your data is ready for anything. You can run complex analyses, you can build stunning visualizations with libraries like Matplotlib or Seaborn. You can even feed it into your machine learning pipelines. The possibilities are, well, wide open now. So we've handed you the key, we've walked you through the code. Your data is no longer stuck in a silo. It is officially free. The only question left is, what amazing things are you going to discover with it?